Yesterday I explained control statements. Okay. Now I am going to start small problems, small programs. Then I will take to not big, a little bit advanced programs. First I want to write a program for trapezoidal rule. Everyone knows the trapezoidal rule. Integral a to b did I tell enormous functions f of x, how to enter a function f of x dx? I want to f of x dx is equal to h by 2 into y1 plus yn. I will tell what is y1 plus yn plus 2 times of sum of remaining ordinates. This is the y2 plus y3 up to so yn minus. This is the trapezoidal rule. Am I correct? So I am going to write a program for this trapezoidal rule. So, whether I explained how to enter enormous functions, f of x. Suppose if you want to enter a function f of x is equal to, I want to enter a function f of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Whether I forgot whether I explained or not. Suppose how to enter a function in MATLAB. F of x is equal to there, for example. F of x is equal to x square. I want to enter a function like this, x square or 1 by 1 plus x square, like that. How to enter this type of functions? Whether I explained this concept or not. Explain how to enter a function. Yes or no? Okay. The method is, suppose if you want to enter any function in MATLAB, the command is you have to give f is equal to at the rate of x cap equal to at the rate of x square. That means f of x is equal to, this is standard notation, f of x is equal to x square. That is the meaning. Suppose if you want to find out f of 1, square, f of 2 square, 4, f of 3. This is the way of doing enormous functions. Once again, I am telling f is equal to at the rate of x. I forget, I think. F is equal to at the rate of x cap. This is valid for only scalar values. Okay, that is it. If you want to find out at two different values, it will show error. Suppose if you define dot x square, if you give like this, it calculates at x is equal to 1, x is equal to 3. Okay, x is equal to 1, the function value is 1, x is equal to, the function value is 4, at x is equal to 3, function value is 9. Okay, like this. Similarly, we can define more than one variable also. G is equal to, I am taking another function, g is equal to at the rate of x comma y. G is equal to at the rate of x comma y. That means g of x comma y is equal to x dot cap 2 plus y dot cap 2. That's my g. G of 1 comma 1. What is g of 1 comma 1 value? G of 1 comma 1 value 1 square plus 1, that is 2. G of 2 comma 1, 2 square plus 1, 5. This is valid for scalars and as well as vectors also. G of 1, 2, 3. Suppose if you want to find out more than one value, G of 1, 2, 3. G of 1, 2, 3. Next value minus 1, 0, minus 2 plus 1 comma 1, 1 comma minus 1, the function value is 2. 2 comma 0, the function value is 4. 3 comma minus 2, function value is 90. 13. 3 square plus minus 2 whole square. 9 plus 4, 13. Okay, like that. Okay, this is about this is the way of defining a function in MATLAB. So everyone knows that trapezoidal rule. Am I correct or not? So I want to find out integral value. So these are the small functions, small programs I am going to execute. Then I will take a little bit advanced problems. So for example, see the right hand side, not on the left hand side. Right hand side. Find the value of integral 0 to 1, 1 by 1 plus x squared dx. So everyone is familiar with this trapezoidal rule. First we take f of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x squared. Okay. Here limit value 0 to 1, a value 0, b value is 1. I want to divide the given interval into 6 subintervals. So in that case, h is equal to n is equal to 6 I have taken. H is equal to b minus a by n, that is 1 by 6. Okay. Then what we do? We take a, that is 0, a plus h, a plus 2h, a plus 3h, a plus 4h, a plus 5h, a plus 6h. That is 1. Okay. At these points, we calculate the function value. At x is equal to 0, the function value is 1. At x is equal to 1 by 6, this function value is 36 by 17. And also at x is equal to 1, 1 by 1 plus 1, 1 by 2. Trapezoidal rule. Using trapezoidal rule, h by 2 into y1 plus y7, first value plus last value, plus 2 times of sum of the remaining alternates, that is 0.7842. 0.7842. So how to execute these commands? Using MATLAB. How to execute these commands using MATLAB. Not only for this particular function. If you give any function, our program should calculate the integral value. That like that we have to write. So my how to create this array first. How to create this value array 0, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6. First we take a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, n is equal to 6 or your choice, n is equal to 6. Okay, h is equal to b minus a by n, 1 by 6. Then how to calculate this value? How to generate this array? So that is nothing but first we define the function like this. F is equal to at the rate of x, 1 by 1 plus x squared. A is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, n is equal to 6. H is equal to b minus a by n. Then x is equal to a colon h colon b. Then this array will be generated. A colon h colon b. Okay. Next, y values. I have to calculate these y values. y is nothing but f of x. X values are there. You calculate x values here. You substitute x values here. Y values will come. Why? Because it is a function f of x. It is an array. I defined for array dot cap 1 dot by 1 by 1 plus x square. We'll get f of x values and y values y1, y2, y3, y4, y6. Then integral value is equal to h by 2 into first value plus last value, y1 plus yn, first value plus last value, 2 times of sum of the remaining values. Remaining values means y of 2 colon and minus 1. 2 colon and minus 1, we will get the integral value. We will get the integral value. So if the first I will execute this command in this problem, I will write the program for this one, then we'll think about the remaining concepts. This you see this one f of x is equal to CLC f is equal to at the rate of 1 dot at the rate of x is equal to 1 dot by 1 plus h dot cap. Next, what is a value for this integral? A is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, h is equal to b minus a by n. H is equal to b minus a by n. Now x value, x is equal to a colon h colon b. A colon h colon a 0 b h value a plus h, a plus 2h, a plus 3h up to so on, a plus nh. That is b. Y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x. Therefore, integral value, everything are there. Integral is equal to h by 2 or y of 1 plus y of n. Y of n means n plus 2 times of sum of y of 2 colon n minus 1. That's it. If you run this program, you get if you run this program, you get integral value. So new file I have taken, first is save. Before the date is 03/12/2020. Save. The file will be saved in current directory. Somewhere it will be saved before top it will be saved. Before 03/12/2020. That is my file. That is my file. Now we run this one. Oh, there is an error.
N value is not given.
N value is not given. N is equal to 6. Now we run that. The integral value is 7842. Now this program is valid for not only this function, for any function. For example, I want to evaluate integral 1 to 2 x square dx. One to 2 x square dx, for example, x cubed by 3. Original value 1 to 2 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3. by 3 minus 1 by 7 by 3. What is 7 by 3 value? 2.6. 2.7 by 3. 2.333. Yeah. 1. 2. How much? 7 by 3 value?
2.333.
7 by 7 by 3. 2.333. That is the value. Integral value is 2.333. Okay. This is 2.333. That is integral value. I want a wallet. Already I have a program for this one. Only thing is here we have to change the limits only. X square x dot gap a is equal to 1. That is the only thing you have to change. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. Rest of the thing is okay. You take n value, more value. MATLAB will take care of things. 100 you take. What is that? 100 you take. MATLAB will take care. Okay. Enter. That is 2.3334. It is rounded value. Okay. Only thing is, if the integral is there, this program is valid for any function, not only any integral value. Only the thing is, we have to change function and limits values. Function and limit values. Rest of the thing, because I taken by 1 and by n. 2 times of, it's a 2 times of sum of y of 2, 1 and n minus. Like this, we have to write it. We have to write the programs. Suppose if it is Simpson rule, the formula will be changed here. Am I correct? Suppose it is a Simpson's rule. Only thing is the formula will be changed. Remaining thing is same. Am I correct? Simpson's rule. y1 plus y7 4 times of even odd dates plus 2 times of odd ordinates. Okay. Automatically we have to change. Automatically we have to change this formula. We'll get the Simpson's one-third formula value. Okay. This is about integral value. Then I will go to another topic. I will take another thing. I am removing this one. Suppose I want to first we'll solve the easy problem. Then we'll go to another problems. First we'll try to solve the easy problem. Suppose I want to solve a system of equations. Already you have an idea about this one. You take this, you take the right hand side. Consider the system of equations. X plus 2y plus z is equal to 3. 2x plus 3y plus 3z is equal to 10. 3x minus y plus 2z is equal to 13. Using Gauss elimination method. In Gauss elimination method, we convert the given matrix into upper triangle matrix. Am I correct? And then we do the back substitution. Then we'll get xyz values. XYZ values. Okay, XYZ values. Back substitution. Now we do all these things we do with the help of MATLAB commands. So first we take the augmented matrix 1, 2, 1, 3. Am I correct? We write 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 10 coefficients, 3 minus 1, 2, 13. Then we apply elementary row operations. Okay, our matrix is here. This matrix, I am copying this matrix because I don't want to waste the time. Controls. Then I will start the problem. I will take this. CLC and then Control V. Okay. So first, this is my matrix now. This is my matrix. I want to make this value 0 using this element. That means R2 changes R2 plus some constant into R1. Why? Because it is 1. No problem. If it is 2, the operation will be changed. Suppose it is 3. Suppose it is 4. Suppose it is 4. How do we? R2 minus. Am I correct? R2 minus. Like that we can write. R2 minus 2 by 4. So let us assume that is a 4. 2 by 4 into R1 we write. Am I correct? So R2. How to access the R2? Second row. All column elements is equal to we have second row all column elements. Second row all column elements minus this is nothing but this minus 2 is nothing but minus 2 is nothing but e of 2 1 by e of 2 comma 1 by e of 1 comma 1 e of 2 comma 1 by e of 1 comma 1 star R2 changes R2 minus k R1. R1 means first row all column elements. Now we check it. What will happen? I'm running this. This element became a 0. This is the matrix. Here 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 10, 3 minus 1, 2, 13. Now this element became 0. Next, I want to make this as 0 now. This operation over. R3 goes. R3 goes. R3 means E of 3 comma colon is equal to E of 3 comma colon minus E of 3 comma colon is equal to E of 3 comma colon minus. How to do this? E of this element by this element. E of third row first column element by E of 1 comma 1 star E of 1 comma column. Now we run this program. What will happen? Now this became 0. These two elements became 0. Now using this element, how to make this as 0? Okay, that is using this element, how to make this as 0. E of third row all column elements is equal to E of third row all column elements minus R3 goes R3 minus E of second row third column element by second row third column element by E of 2 comma 2 star E of second row all column elements. Now we run this. Now this became 8 wrong. Somewhere I told. No, why it is coming minus 8? It should become 0. Second row third column element. Second row
3 comma 2.
So it is wrong. Third row second column element. Third row second column element. Okay, 0. Now we have a system of equations. Now we have to do the back subtraction. We have to perform the back subtraction. Not this one. I'll take this. Now my system is now x plus 2y plus z is equal to 3. I don't want to solve this 3. Suppose if you take any matrix here, if you take any other matrix here, this will reduce upper triangular matrix. Okay, now not only for this one, any matrix. Next value is, what is 1? This 1 into x is there. What is 1 here? 1 is nothing but a11. a11 into x. Am I correct on it? a11 into x. First row, first column element x. That is 1. First row, second column element a of first row, second column element into y. Every system will reduce like this. A of 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3 is equal to into z is equal to A of 1 comma 4. In terms of general matrix, 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4 is here 3. I am not concentrating on that value. I am concentrating on the element position. Next equation. Next equation is A of 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2 into y. This A of 2 comma 2 is minus 1 plus A of 2 comma 3 into z. A comma 2 comma 3 into z is equal to A of 2 comma 4. A of 2 comma 4. A of 2 comma 4. So last equation, that is important equation for us. 2 comma 4. That is A of 3 comma 3 into z is equal to z is equal to A of 3 comma 4. From this we will get z value. What is z value? Z value is A of 3 comma 4 by A of 3 comma 3. That we will write here. Am I correct or not? Z is equal to, now back substitution I am doing. Z is equal to A of 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 means 3 comma end, whatever it may be. 3 comma 4 by A of 3 comma 3 is my z value. Am I correct or not? Z value is 3. Okay, I have z now. I have z. Now I have to check. This value I have to substitute here. From that I will get y value. What is the y? Already by z I calculated. Y is equal to this value minus this value by this value. E of back substitution. E of 2 comma 4 minus E of 2 comma 3 star z. Like because already z is executed, z is there. Star z by quarter. We have to take a bracket by E of 2. E of 2 is my y. Okay. Y is equal to E of 2 comma 4 minus E of 2 comma 3 star z by E of 2 comma 2. That is my y. Here on this one. Now I have z is equal to 3, y is equal to minus. Okay. Next, I need x value. Finally, I get x value. X is from this x, not this. From this x. E of 1 comma 4. No, what is this one? Z? Okay. A of 1 comma 4 minus z into a of 1 comma 3 minus a of 1 comma 2 into y by e of 1 1 is my x. Am I correct or not? E of 1 comma 4. With this, using this equation, I will write x is equal to e of 1 comma 4 1 comma 4 minus e of 1 comma 3 star z minus e of 1 comma 2 star y bracket close total bracket close by e of 1 comma 1. That's it. My work is over. X is equal to y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to 3. And yes, I'm giving semicolon, 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 semicolon. I want to write it as solution is equal to x, y, z transpose 2 minus 1, 3 is the solution. Okay. Now only the thing is you change the matrix here. Suppose here 2, here 5, another system I'm taking. Here 10, 10 or 11, 11. Another system I'm taking. The solution is this one. Okay. Only thing is we have to, if you have a 3 by 3 system, only thing matrix we have to change. Rest of the thing, I didn't concentrate on the elements. I concentrated on the position of the elements here, this entire program. Okay. So in that case, we'll get a solution. Take this 5. Sometimes it may have. The solution is this one. Okay. So now the thing is Gauss elimination method is Gauss. This is Gauss elimination method, I think. Gauss elimination method. Gauss elimination is back substitution, gas elimination. Gauss Jordan. What is Gauss Jordan? The Gauss Jordan. The Gauss Jordan, we make it matrix as a diagonal matrix. This is very easy to than Gauss elimination. In program, it takes time, but it is very easy to. There is no back substitution. It is very easy. Okay. Now up to this one, I don't want this one now. It's over. Now you run this program. What is E? E is there. Now I want to make. I made using this element. I made it as 0. Now using this element, I want to make this as 0. Okay. Instead of this one, we can take a standard matrix. Points are there. It is confusion. So many points and all these. What is that matrix? We get a simple 1 2 1 3. So 1 2. This we get a simple max. That's it. 1 2 1 3 2 3 3 2 3 3 10 3 minus 1 2 13. So it is 0, it is 0, it is 0, it is 1, minus 1, 2. Now using this element, using this minus 1, I want to make this as 0. Yes, I want to make R1 as 0. R1. To this element, I want to make it as 0. Okay. So R1 changes. So all column elements, R1 changes, R1 minus. What is this value? Anybody? F. What is this element here? F. First row, second column element. by f 2 comma 2 star f second row all column elements. Now you see this became 0. Now using this element I want to make this as 0. Using this element I want to make 1 as 0. How to do this one? Second row all column elements is equal to f second row all column elements is f second row third column element by f pivot element, that is 3 comma 3 star this is r2 minus r3. Yeah. Any corrections?
Sir, you gave semicolon, a of 2 comma semicolon.
Okay. Now we run this. Now this became 0. Now I am making diagonal matrix. Yeah. Using this element, I want to make it as 0. R1 changes. First row, all column elements. First row, all column elements is equal to first row, all column elements minus f 1 comma 3 by f 3 comma 3. F 3 comma 3 into f 3 comma quadrant. R1 changes, R1 minus K, R3. Now, it is diagonal matrix. This is constant. What is my solution? Now, I want to make this element as 0, 1. This element as 1. This element as 1. Then directly we get this. This is the solution. Am I correct or not? If you make it as 1, we make it as 1. We make it as 1. Then the last column is my solution. Am I correct or not? That means what we have to do? I have to divide. R1 changes, R1 by this element, A11 element. R1 is equal to K R1 I am writing. We are already 1, but if you take another matrix, we may get some value. That's it. First row, all column elements is equal to 1 by F, otherwise F first row, all column elements by F 1 comma 1. F 1 comma 1. Next F 2 comma colon is equal to F 2 comma colon by F 2 comma 2. Now I'm running this problem. You can see this. This is x is equal to no, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to 3. We'll get next step. The next step we'll get that value. Yeah, 3 comma colon. Yeah, 3 comma colon is equal to yeah, 3 comma colon by yeah, 3 comma 3. Okay, now we run this. Now what is the x value? X is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to 3. Okay, solution is equal to yeah, all row elements of or last column n or 4 is my solution. Solution. This only the thing is, if you want to apply this Gauss elimination, Gauss Jordan method, you change the matrix. This is for 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows and 3 columns. If you have so many conditions will come, I cannot tell all the things. This is the basic idea I'm giving now. So like that, you have to develop your programs. Okay. So this is about Gauss elimination and Gauss Jordan. Okay. I want to tell you one thing. Here, what is A? there is inbuilt function here for this. You see, I will tell you one thing. So what type of matrix will I get here? I am making semicolon. So this type of matrix I got. Am I correct? Am I? So there is inbuilt function to reduce the matrix as like this. Here this is my A. I am copying this A. Control C. Control V. Okay, this is my matrix. R or EF of A. There is inbuilt function that will convert like this. This is my program output. This is my program output. There is an equivalent program is present in the MATLAB to reduce the matrix as a diagonal matrix or a row reduced echelon form. Row reduced. So, did you understand my point? This is, I obtained this result my own program. This is the inbuilt function RREF. So we can use RREF and all this. Otherwise, we can use, but we won't get in our programming skills. We won't get our. If you want to get your own programming skills, trapezoidal rule also there is a trapezoidal rule. There is a trapz, TREPZ. There is help button is there. No? So many times I wrote very powerful button trapz, TREPZ. TREP na. TREP maybe. Z, sorry. TREPZ. 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 Yes, that's it. We want integral 0 to pi sin x dx. Directly we can give a inbuilt function. There is inbuilt function is available. Trapz x comma y, we have to define x comma y values. Directly to trapz and y function and x. Directly we get the integral value. So I am not concentrating on inbuilt functions. I am writing my own programs to to find out the small problems. Okay. Next thing is, for example, first what I have to start. Else, if else, for loop. Suppose for loop, shall we try for loop or if else? First for, we'll try for loop. Already we know I want to find out this value using this. We know how to find out this value, but I want to find out this value summation because it is very important. So n square is okay. So other function is there. It is very somewhat difficult to evaluate. Okay. So general I am taking a simple. I want to find out this value n is equal to 1 to 10, 100 n square dx using for loop. For loop range body of the for loop. Yeah. So all summations, whenever we have a summation, for loop will be very useful command. For loop will become a very useful command, useful control statement. So how to calculate this summation? For it is very simple. For is equal to for how many values are there from n is equal to 1 to 100. For I is n is equal to 1 to 100. Later we can change. That's not a big issue. NRI 1 colon 100. N is equal to. How to write this? Anybody? How to do this? or I is equal to you take another. I is equal to 1. I is equal to 1. N is equal to, how to do this?
Sum of n dot cap 2.
No, that's not sum of n dot cap 2. No, that will get directly n value. Now I want to use for loop. So this is for loop we can do. This is one step answer, sum of 1 cap dot. That is okay. 1 dot sum of, we take n is equal to 1 dot 100. N is equal to 1 dot 100. Sum of n dot cap. That is okay. That I told already how to do this one. So simple example I am telling how to find out summation using for loop. That's my idea. How to find out the summation values using for loop. For I is equal to 1 first value, we initialize n is equal to 0, for example. N is equal to 0. Okay. N plus n square. What will, no, n is not n plus n square. What will happen? Any other idea? So I am writing one method. You can tell your own ideas. And yesterday also I told some commands how to find out summation values. Am I correct or not? Summation I told. Now I have to get summation value. Any idea? 1, 2, 3, 4 we generated last in the previous class, 1 to 11. Here also I need a summation value, how to calculate. You think about it. 1 second, I will tell. Anyhow, I will tell. It's not a big issue.
Some y.
Ma? Sir? Okay, leave it.
So n plus I square. N is equals to n plus I square.
Is equal to,
N plus I square.
what is n?
Initially n is 0, sir.
Okay.
Then here we take in the statement in the body n is equals to n plus this I is for I is equal to 1 to 100. And we initialize n equals to 0.
Sum is equal to 0 otherwise.
Okay, sum is equals to 0. Sum is equals to sum plus I square.
Sum plus n square. I square.
Yes.
You take n here. That's why I took n.
Okay.
We should have some programming. So whatever it may be. That's whatever it may be. This I will tell you later. Shortcut method. First I defined as sum is equal to 0. N is equal to 1. Sum will become directly to this place.
Sir, I have one. Hello?
Yes, tell me.
Srinivas. For I is equal to 1 colon 100. Y is I star I. Put y is equal to z. S is equal to z plus y. S is the sum. I cannot write. For I is equal to 1 colon 100.
Okay.
Y is equal to I star I. Or I cap I. Whatever it may be.
I cap I square.
I cap 2. I square. Z is equal to y. I am putting y value in z. Then S is equal to z plus y. S is our sum.
S is equal to
Z plus y. I don't know will it work or not. I just got an idea. May work, may not.
It will not work.
No?
It will not work. It will not work.
Okay.
Okay. Sum is equal to 0. I'm taking sum is equal to 0. So initially sum is equal to 0. It will start from n is equal to 1. Sum will become 0 here. N is equal to 1, 1 square. 0 square plus 1 is sum is 1 square. In the first step, sum is 1 square. For n is equal to 2, for n is equal to 2, sum is 1 square. 1 square plus 2 square. That will be stored in sum. Now new sum is 1 square plus 2 square. N is equal to 3. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. That will be stored in new sum. That will be stored in new sum. N is equal to 4. That value will come to this place. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. N is equal to 4. 4 square will be added. Like that up to 100 I'm taking. Otherwise, no, very simple. Whenever you want to apply summation n is equal to 1 to n square, first through with the for loop, sum initialize 0. Okay, whatever the integrand, whatever the term is there, the term you write here. You write sum plus sum. Sum is equal to sum plus that value. It will work. So for example, I'm taking only limited terms, only 3 times. Whether I will like it or not, 5 times. We'll check it first. Select all. Delete. CNC. Yes, sum. S is equal to 0. Sum value. Or I is equal to n is equal to 1 colon 5. 5 times 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. S is equal to S plus sum plus n square. And my answer is sum is equal to answer is yes. My answer is yes. Okay. I go in semicolon because every time it will generate the value. My answer is yes. You run this 55. That is nothing but 1 cap 2 sum of sum of 1 dot cap 5 dot cap 2.
Sum is equal to sum plus n square.
Okay, sir. One square plus two square. Otherwise, if you have it, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. Okay. That's my answer. Some value. Suppose if you take 10, it's 385. Okay. Like this, we do, we can summations, we can do, we can calculate with for loop. So this is very powerful loop, powerful control statement for loop. So, any doubts on this? Any doubts on these topics? If you have any doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, I will leave it. Otherwise, leave. I will leave it.